Sunday Boiler School. All right, I get a lot of questions on scavenger loops on steam boilers. So I'm going to go over piping, schematic, and wiring. So here's your piping for your standard steam boiler. So you're going to come out with a drain tee off the bottom of the boiler on this side and pipe it to a full port valve. Other side, same exact thing, full port valve, so you can isolate the boiler when you're purging this scavenger loop. Then you come out with a T and a bypass with another full port valve here. T down here connects that. So come off to your supply. Another T with a drain. Come up with your circulator. A check valve. I use a spring check. And then come up and your aquastat is on your piping here. Supply comes over with your element. Then back down with another spring check. Come over, another T, and a boiler drain here. So when you're purging this scavenger loop, you have to shut this, and these valves off. Send your water in through here. Purge the entire loop out through here. Once you get a steady stream out of this boiler drain, and you feel that all of your air has been purged, you shut the boiler drains off, and then you open up these valves. So these valves get open all the way. This one is about a little less than halfway. So you're sending your water through this way, over here, back down, and you want to send some through the bypass so all your water is not going directly through the boiler the whole time, which will actually ruin this pump in record time. So that's piping. Now wiring. So you need a switching relay, your circulator for your scavenger loop, an aquastat, and a separate thermostat for your scavenger loop. So you want to plug in your thermostat to your switching relay directly over to TT. So that will call this switching relay and close the contacts. Then you want to in with your aquastat, which is a brake on rise. So you don't want to run more than 180 degree water through this loop. So you're going to tie this one side of the aquastat to X, and then the other X to T on the boiler, and then B from your aquastat to T here. Then you're bringing in your power, hot, from your boiler, or your boiler feed to hot. Your neutrals here, and tie these together. And then your hot from your circulator to 3 here. So when this closes, the relay closes and sends power to the circulator. And then once the circulator is running, as long as the water is below 180 degrees, this aquastat will make its connection, close, and fire the boiler. So once it hits 180, this circuit will break and turn off the boiler